Yo, what is up, YouTube fam? Back with another video, and in this video I'm going to go over something that a lot of you probably do not know, and that is finding lower lows and lower highs, higher highs and higher lows in the market. So right off the bat, I want you guys to look at this. We are in a downtrend right now. I'm not even going to mark up my trend line, that really doesn't matter, but what I want you guys to see is right here in the market. This was our highest point of resistance, right? Previous resistance to the left, and I mentioned that in the video last week. Look to the left, structure leaves clues. We could have caught this whole sell for months on end if we really wanted to, all the way from July to September, and caught thousands of pips. But honestly, I really don't trade for months at a time. I don't hold one trade at a time. But what I want you guys to look at is there's like these levels in the market, and what I like to refer to them as is staircases. So you guys see how we have our first staircase right here, our first step, and we went up, then our second step, and we went up, and we got our third step right here. So we're most likely going to see a fourth step right around here pretty soon. But what I usually do is I grab the brush and I kind of just mark it out a little. So there we go. There's our first step, second step. So it's kind of like staircases in a way. Not exactly, but I want you guys to look at this. So this is our higher high right here. And as we're in a downtrend, we call these things, these levels as it goes down. This is a lower low right here. So this is a lower low, and then this is a lower high, and then right here is a new lower low. Because this lower low, this point in the market, went deeper than this point. So this is defined as a new lower low. And then we came up to retest that lower high, and then right here we formed a new lower low because this lower low went lower than this lower low right here. Then we have a new lower high right here. So now what we're most likely going to see is a new lower low right around these levels. So every time that we have a new lower low, like right here, and right here, we are always, most every time, gonna have another lower low. And what I want you, or a lower high, I mean. So what I want you guys to look at as well is look how we have this lower low, then the lower high came down, or came up, and it kind of retested this zone right here. Do you guys see this point of resistance, how it tested that again? And then as it formed that new lower low, this is where I really want you guys to listen very closely, and this is going to be very difficult for some of you to understand, and you might need to rewatch this video a couple times. But look, as we form this new lower low right here on the second level, it came to support. But look at when that new lower high, do you guys see how that lower high came to our lower low in the past? So this lower low was support that later became resistance. And then look right here. Look how this lower low, it came and hit new support, but the lower high, it came to resistance. It was previous to the previous lower low support. So this happens pretty much all the time. I have noticed this, and this is where I kind of came up with this strategy and noticed it in the levels. I was like, wait, every time that it forms a lower high, that lower high comes back to where the lower low was in the past. So right now, this is a very beautiful sell right now. We are looking for a very, very nice sell right now. And what you guys also could do, I'm going to just see if this lines up right. I'd bring up the Fibonacci's. Yeah, not really lining up as I thought it would, but it's alright. So I want you guys to realize, like, this is a sell opportunity right now, because we see that this lower low right here, this lower high, is coming back to our lower low right there. So it's most likely going to respect this point of resistance that was previous support and then continue to drop down. So what I would do is I would have my stops right around here, make that red. And I know it's a little sloppy on my chart now, just ignore it, guys, it's fine. So our stop loss would be right there. There's where our entry is at current market price. And then I'd have my take profits down here. And then obviously you guys would do what I said in the previous videos. Get the long tool or the short tool. Obviously we'd use the short tool for a sell. And then we line it up, get our 3-to-1 risk reward ratio, and go into this trade. But this, guys, this might be a little difficult for you guys to understand lower lows and lower highs, and it's going to be a little time to understand it, but you guys will get it. And the same thing works with when we're in an uptrend. We have our lower low right here, then we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, no higher low. It just went into, after it hit this higher high, it went into a reversal. So I want to tell you guys that the market moves in levels of 3 to 5 levels. So we have one level right here, 2 levels right here, 3 levels right here. We're probably going to go to a 4th and a 5th level. And what I would do now to find where my next point of support is I look in the past. So right here, we can see that right at this line, boom, it's support. So this is a valid point of support that's going to happen pretty soon here, right there, here, right there, here, right there. So yeah, we're good. It's looking very good on the setup right now for Euro USD as a sell. And I went over this setup in about 2 videos ago. So if you guys are more on the new side, I'd highly suggest that you guys check out my channel. I have a ton of information on there. And I appreciate every single one of you hopping on my channel. I'll see you guys later.